We have team coverage on Tropical Storm Hilary with reporters fanned out across the region.
And our KCAL weather team is tracking the latest conditions. Let's begin with meteorologist Evelyn Taft.
And Pat, we're going to get right to that radar, and we're still looking at some action, even though things have calmed down a little bit for us compared to where we were a little earlier tonight. Now, let's take a look at our live radar, and as I step off, you will see your 3-hour radar loop showing you quite a bit of activity just in the last couple of hours, but things have really calmed down for us nicely, even though we're still looking at a few heavier spots, mainly the yellow that you're seeing on your screen along the 210 right there, Rancho Cucamonga, as you make your way into Fontana. Now, I'm going to step off one more time and zoom in on this and show you exactly where we're seeing this rain. And yellow, again, meaning just heavy rain. So maybe not a thunderstorm potentially, but at this point, just downpours. San Antonio Heights, Alta Loma, Upland, as we head to Rancho Cucamonga, as we head to Etiwanda, we're continuing to see very heavy rain, and a lot of these cells continuing up toward the mountains. So let's take a closer look at where this could go potentially next if things are tracking somewhat to the northeast. So Wrightwood has been getting hit a lot, really continuously all day long, 5.5 inches at last check of rain. As we take a look right here, Rancho Cucamonga, again, tracking to the northeast, and it looks like we could get some heavier rain in Devore possibly in the next 20 minutes or so. Continuing to keep our eyes on that cell. Otherwise, as we zoom out a little bit, you'll see just steady showers from Santa Clarita to Calabasas to downtown as Tropical Storm, and yes, she's still a tropical storm, Hilary continues to move across Southern California. Now, a closer look at these cells. Again, nothing major, just light rain at the moment, but we don't want to let our guards down quite yet because there's still a little more rain to come. And with that, I do want to zoom out right here and show you exactly where we're standing with that rain. So you'll see really the eye of the storm is continuing to pass over us, over downtown a little earlier. So it's continuing to track from the south to the north and really heading to the northeast at this point into Nevada. Now, we're still looking at this line of storms right here. This could potentially affect us in the next little bit. So let's go ahead and track this particular cell that's just sitting offshore, sort of parallel to Catalina, making its way toward Orange County and toward the Orange County coastline. We could get more heavy rain in Laguna Niguel as we head along the Orange County coastline. Of course, that's where we were really concerned as far as rainfall went and as far as south-facing beaches go. Huntington could get hit in about an hour and a little further inland. Santa Ana potentially getting hit in the next hour and 14 minutes as we track the back end of the cell right here. San Clemente, and of course, that's a big concern for us tonight with Casa Romantica. You'll see 43 minutes from San Clemente, 53 minutes from Laguna Niguel, and Mission Viejo just a little over an hour away, and so we could get some heavier rain in South Orange County in the next hour. We'll continue to track it, but for now we are tracking rainfall totals so far, and we've smashed some records. Olga.
Oh, absolutely. We have smashed a lot of records, and wait until you see these numbers. I mean, these are really incredible. So especially for those higher elevations, look at places like Upper Mission Creek. So over 13 inches of rain, and of course it continues coming down. Mount San Jacinto, over 11 inches of rain. Leona Valley, that's going to be near the Antelope Valley, just west of that, nearly 7 inches. Nearly 7 inches also for Lytle Creek. Saugus at over 6 inches, and just about 5.5 inches in Newhall. And this is just a taste of what we have received. We have seen widespread rain, but again, especially up in the mountains, really those higher amounts. So I want to take you through our futurecast, show you what we can expect as we head into the overnight hours and into Monday. Still some rain moving through Ventura County, moving up into some of those mountain areas through the I-5, impacting parts of the Antelope Valley, at least the western portion, and into some of our high deserts also. But it's not as widespread as what we were experiencing this afternoon. So things are going to be winding down over the next several hours. Overnight hours, again, still seeing some pockets of some heavy rain where you see yellows, oranges, and reds. By 5:15 a.m., not too bad. A few small pockets of that moderate to heavy rain, but we're seeing it a little bit more widespread as we head further east into the Coachella Valley and moving up into some of those deserts. And we'll continue to see the rain for that area pushing up to the north, all that moisture moving in from the south. And by late morning, look at this, 11:15 a.m., just some very light rain through the Ventura County area. But for most of us, we are dry. We're also going to be clearing out as far as cloud cover. We'll see some sunshine also. Hard to believe after a day like today. And then by the afternoon into the evening hours, most of us continue dry, not ruling out the chance of just some isolated pockets of some wet weather, especially for higher elevations. But other than that, we're going to continue dry, and Tuesday is definitely looking a lot better as well. So there's the good news. Rainfall totals, highest amounts, not surprisingly, up in the mountains. We're talking 6 to 10 inches when everything is done. But again, some isolated amounts even higher than that. We saw one area already with 13 inches of rain, and it keeps on falling, of course, in the overnight hours. Here's a look at the tropical track. So yes, that tropical storm still over our area, and that's going to continue to push to the north. And as we head into Monday, really Nevada is going to be one of the most impacted areas with that rain still pushing through. Tropical storm warning in effect across most of our region. The winds also a big part of our weather story, 30 to 50 miles per hour for coasts and valleys, and of course much stronger across mountain areas, the peak of it through tonight. So we'll talk about the 7-day forecast and what is in store for us for the rest of the week when we come back in just a few minutes. Pat and Juan, back to you.